Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Luna. Luna was an ambitious dreamer with a heart full of aspirations, but often found herself overwhelmed by the challenges of daily life. One day, as Luna was browsing through a quaint bookstore, she stumbled upon a dusty old book titled The Magic Within. Intrigued, she opened it to discover the secrets of the law of attraction, the power to attract what one desires through positive thoughts and beliefs. Eager to test this newfound knowledge, Luna decided to start with something small. She envisioned finding a parking spot right in front of her favorite cafe as she drove there. With a hopeful heart, she imagined the joy of effortlessly parking and enjoying her coffee. To her surprise, as Luna approached the cafe, a car pulled out right in front, leaving the perfect parking spot for her. Excitement filled her as she realized the simplicity of the law of attraction in action. Encouraged, Luna continued to apply these principles to larger aspects of her life. She visualized career opportunities, meaningful relationships, and financial abundance. Gradually, she noticed positive changes. Doors opened, new connections formed, and opportunities seemed to align with her desires. Luna learned that the law of attraction wasn't about wishful thinking alone, but involved aligning her thoughts, feelings, and actions with her goals. She understood the importance of maintaining a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, and focusing on what she wanted rather than what she lacked. In time, Luna's life transformed. She became a living testament to the simplified magic of the law of attraction. Her journey taught her that by harnessing the power of positive thinking and aligning her energy with her aspirations, she could attract the life she truly desired. And so, Luna's story became a reminder that within the simplicity of our thoughts lies the extraordinary power to shape our reality through the universal law of attraction. If you enjoyed the story and you want to hear more, please consider liking and subscribing as it will help me a lot. Thank you.